Supporting researchers at your organization is now easier with the new Web of Science author record. You can provide feedback that will permanently correct publication records and improve author disambiguation and overall author data quality across Web of Science core collection. Web of Science core collection's author search makes it easy to gather your researchers' published articles and provide data feedback to help disambiguate, properly attribute, and ultimately assess the research for your organization. Get started by signing in to your Web of Science profile, or create one if you don't already have one. Only registered users of Web of Science can suggest corrections to an author record. Our data teams will need to verify your relationship to the author and communicate with you about your corrections. Once you're signed in, get started using the author search feature. Make sure you're in the core collection, then click Author Search. Enter the author's last and first names. This begins a guided search that will bring back one or more author records associated with the name you searched. If you're unfamiliar with author records, check out our first video in this series. If the name is unique, you may be taken straight to a singular author record. If the name is extremely common, you'll be guided through the search by filtering for country and affiliation first. It's likely there is more than one record that represents the author name you're searching, maybe because they've published under different names, or share their name with someone else. If so, you'll be shown a pick list of author records. You can preview publication and author information to narrow down your choices. You can decide which author records actually represent the same individual and combine those author records together into one. Once they're combined, you can then provide feedback about specific publications. Suggest a correction here by clicking on this link. Corrections for data points like author names or affiliations should actually be made through our customer support teams. To tell us which publications belong to this author, click Continue to suggest a correction. From here, you will be able to edit this combined author record, removing any publications you know don't belong. When you remove a publication, the count in the box on the left changes, and you will have the opportunity to view the removed records and undo the changes if needed. If you're satisfied, click Submit Updates. You'll be asked to submit your name, email address, your relationship to the author, and any additional details. Our Web of Science data teams will review your request. You'll be notified by email that your submission has been received, and again when an outcome is reached. The accepted changes will be reflected in the updated author record. Our disambiguation algorithm learns from the feedback you submit, helping us continually improve the accuracy of author data in the Web of Science. Author data, made better together.